One of the best way in finding the order of permutations is by using least common multiple, the method of least common multiple, or we call as LCM. Here are three ways on how how to find LCM. We start with the first one, LCM, by listing out the multiples. For example, we want to find LCM of 5 and 6. First, we list out all multiples of 5 and also multiple of 6. Then we find the least multiple common in both numbers. Multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and so on. Multiples of 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Now, list multiple common in both number 5 and 6. If we can see here, we find that 30 is the least multiple in common. So 30 is LCM for number 5 and 6. Next, LCM using prime factorization. By prime factorization, for example, we want to find LCM for 24 and 36. 24 and 36 here, we list out all the factor for the number that contain in 24. For example, here we have 24. 24 is the factor of 2 and 12. What about 12? We have the factor of 2 and 6. For 6, we have factor of 2 and 3. For 36, factor 2 and 12. And 18. For 18, we have factor of 2 and 9, and the last one 9, factor of 3 and 3. We list out all the number of here, the least one 2, 2, 2, and 3, also 2, 2, 3, 3. That means we multiply all, and LCM is actually the least numbers in each box once. That means this is same number 2 and 2, also 2 and 2. So we only take 1, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. That means 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 72. That means 72 is LCM for both 24 and 36. There are another way in finding LCM, which is by using repeated division. We divide this number when we have the larger number, which is the smaller number 5 and 6, so we can use listing out. What about when we have the large number, which is 24 and 36, for example? We can use the method of repeated division or prime factorization. For repeated division, we have 24 and 36. We want to find LCM for both numbers here. First, we divide it with the smallest number, 2. 24 divide 2, we have 12. 36 divided by 2, it is equal to 18. So we divide again with 2, since 2 is the least number. 12 divided by 2, we have 6. 18 divided by 2, we obtain 9. 6 and 9, we only can divide with 3. So now 6 divided by 3, we have 2. And 9 divided by 3, we obtain 3 here. Least common multiple is finding by multiplying all the number here. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 72. LCM for 24 and 36.